Hi everyone, welcome to Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download and install Gemini Wallet application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tapping open your app store, but before that, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. Once you are, in the search bar that appears on the next page, type in Gemini and make your search by tapping on the search button at the lower right. You'll be able to see the application displayed right on the next page that says Gemini, buy Bitcoin and crypto. Tap the download button right next to the app and your download should begin. Gemini is a simple and secure way to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. The Gemini mobile application puts the industry's best cryptocurrency exchange and wallet in your hands. Once you've downloaded the application, tap on the open button appearing right next to the app, and that is how you can download Gemini Wallet application for your iPhone. Now, you can start by creating a new wallet or sign into an existing wallet of yours. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.